back, and today's video, whose hair we have is Yolissa Hair. They sent me a 13x4 lace frontal wig, water wave, 24 inches, y'all. They sent me some very cute water wave hair, and I am super excited to see how this hair is gonna be, y'all. So far, as you see, the wig is right here. I already plugged it to my liking. I already plugged it already. Hot comb, slicked it back, you know, because you know you just gotta get it together. So I already did everything that's necessary, so now we just waiting on this install. But so far, y'all, like, when I washed this hair, the curls was popping, and I never had water wave hair before, so this is my first time having water wave hair, so thank you, Yolissa, for this water wave hair. Y'all make sure y'all follow them on all social medias. Follow them on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, everything. Everything about them is going to be down in the description below. Also, this wig link will be down in the description below, but we gonna wait and get into that. So first thing first, they sent me the beautiful wig, as you can see. They also sent you a little card to how to take care of the wig. They also sent me a little head wrap that I will be using today to lay my things down. And they sent me some cute little lashes. You know I'm putting these on. And of course they sent you some head scarves and a wig bag to put your wig in once you're done with it. So yes, you guys, thank you Yolissa for this hair, and let's just go ahead and get into this install, y'all. So y'all already know I gotta do the regular smegular, you know, lay the edges, all that. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'll get back with y'all when it's time to like glue that wig on your head. Alright, you guys, so I got my edges laid down, you know. Y'all, I saw some people in the comments that was like, you need to use a wig cap, you need to use a wig cap. I don't really like using wig caps when I'm putting on my wigs because I just feel like it's unnecessary and it snatches out my edges. And I know how to properly take my wigs off without my edges coming off without the cap, so that's why I don't use it, and it's just more comfortable to me. So, now it's time to put the wig on, y'all. Woo! Alright, we got the wig on. I'll just make sure it's placed correctly. When I lay it down, it's over. But as you can see, it's already looking like scalp, giving very much scalp already. What I'm about to do now, as you already know, cut the ears out. Because you gotta get the earpieces. So now, grab my scissors. I'm gonna go cut that earpiece out. So with this earpiece, look like I got a lot of hair to cut out with this earpiece. Wait, let's make sure it fit around my ear first before and I'm just lay my wig straight down, period. So then we gotta do the other side. Got the ear slots down, period. So now it's time to glue this wig down. And now it's time to get your bow hole glue. So what I have to do now, well, I already placed my wig actually where I want it to go. And I want it to go right there. So, period. So I'm gonna just pull this back. Y'all already know how this goes. Alright, so now it's time to get that glue going down that hairline. So I'm putting it right here, simply because I can't glue it out. So y'all just keep doing it. The only way I gotta do like this because one day, y'all, when I was using my glue, I was installing my wig and my glue part came out. Like the little squeeze top, it came out and it popped off somewhere. Like when I was squeezing the glue in my head, the glue wouldn't come out at all, y'all. Like it was, I don't know what was wrong with it. So I squeezed it real hard and the whole top fell off, and now the top is missing. So now I gotta use the glue like this until I find me, I buy me another glue. I don't even know why I was stuck and why the glue wouldn't come out, but that's what happened, y'all. So that's why I gotta do my glue like this. But yup. And as you see, it's already going clear. And the glue dried pretty fast, y'all. So I'm gonna let these little edge pieces dry up, and then we're gonna lay this hat down. Alright, you guys, so the glue is clear. Y'all already know, wait till that glue is clear. The glue is clear now, so now it's time to lay that wig down. So y'all already know y'all gotta be careful on this part because this is the most important part. You don't want to lay your wig on the wrong spot. So let me pull it up. So now let me pull this side and let me lay this whole side down. Alright, and then melt it in. Do the same thing on this side. So alright y'all, you go tie this down for a few minutes. You already know the drill. Spray your ebbing spray, then tie it down for a few minutes, and then that's when you go come back and cut the lace. So I'm gonna see y'all once I come back and when the lace is cut and it's time for the baby hairs. Alright you guys, I'm back and I'm taking this off. I already cut the lace, so now it's time to get into the good part. And as you see, it is melted in my skin. Melted in my skin, y'all. So now it's time to get into the style that I want to do. So y'all, this is my first time that I'm ever going to try like a half up, half down look, y'all. I never ever did it before. This is my very first time trying to do it, and that's what I'm about to try to do because I just feel like I could do it and it'll be something new for me. Something very new. So what I'm doing right now, as you can see, the wig is melted. I got a little bit of white pieces over here, but we not gonna worry about that, okay? We're not gonna worry about that because you know the final look is not gonna be like that. So far, y'all, I'm going really good with this install, and this hair is super soft too. This hair is super soft. So I got the wig down, so now I need to part out my baby hair pieces, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. So let me part those pieces out. So with this piece, I'm gonna just go ahead and twist it down just to get it out the way because I wanna be able to see to do my half up, half down look. So let me do it like that, and then let me just keep on parting. Oh, I know this part ain't that thick over here. So I see we got a lot going on over here. So, all right. So we got that twisted down. So now it's time to get into this half up, half down piece. So what I have to do, actually, I need to put these two at the bottom together. Make sure they stay together and don't move. And nope, that ain't gonna work. I'm gonna get us. So for this half up, half down, y'all, oh my God, I'm about to do this. So we go part it. We gotta make sure it's a nice little section in between where we have a little bit of scalp going in the back, so it just won't be all the hair going into the ponytail. So we gotta part it. So that's what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm about to part it. Make sure these tracks gonna be covered. I can't see nothing, but hey, go get it. All right, so this is what we go work with right here for the half up, half down. So I need to separate the hair, which meaning, let me just twist this really quick. And let me take my hot comb and let me just hot comb these pieces backwards. All right, so then we take a rubber band and we go separate this piece. So the back, I need to put it in the ball to separate it. All right, so now I got that together and I already done separated my baby hairs. Now let me just comb this part up into the style that I want it to go in. So y'all, it's gonna be much easier this time for me to actually do this because I don't have nails on. So I'm gonna be actually able to do the style. So first thing first, what I want to do is I want to hot comb my pieces the correct way. And I'm gonna start this way because I feel like the back is important too. So I put my stuff up there. Now let me just hot comb it, just so I can make sure it's gonna be working in the right direction. So now, we go pull this up, and we go start working from the front. So what I need to do is get all my pieces together, which means hot comb my pieces. Make sure my front is sleek with this wax stick, cause you want a sleek ponytail. You don't want no ponytail that's gonna be everywhere. You want a sleek ponytail, like slick. So I just burned my ear, y'all. So I always burn my ear, and I hate that. But I just have to be more careful. All right, enough with the hot comb, cause I done burnt my ear, and I can't believe I just did that. But y'all, okay. So now it's time to start moving in the direction that we need. So let me go ahead and comb this hair. Make sure that back hair is not in your way, even if you have to wax stick that back. Like, just make sure it's not in your way. We don't need that to be in your way. So now, we done hot combed it. Don't mix your edge pieces in. Make sure you got all your edges out that you gonna be using. This is gonna be a little bit hard to get it as sleek as I want it, so just go work till we get it right. Woo, y'all. I gotta get it together because I really don't want to mess up this. I want it to be perfect. I want it to be perfect. Even though I know it's not gonna be perfect, but I just want it to be perfect enough, especially for my first time doing this style. So let me just get it together. All right, now it's time to put it in a ponytail. All right, y'all. So now I got it down. This is sleek as I could get it today. Woo. It's my phone ringing, y'all, but this is sleek as I could get it today. And don't forget, like I said, this is my first time doing it, so it ain't gonna be perfect, but I did a little something with this ponytail. Look at this. I did a little something. I did a little something. I think I should put like another rubber band, like re-grip it again. I just want to make sure it's just right. Let me re-grip it one more time. Wait, what I don't want to happen is I don't want this part to get like, hold on y'all, I don't want my lace to get scrambled up. So actually, I need to take this off and redo it. All right, y'all, so now I'm about to do my baby hairs. I blow dried it down. I blow dried my lace down. Like, it needs a little bit more drying. Let me get that down pat. All right, so let me do this, which means comb these baby hairs out, and I only gotta put like a little bit of them, because a majority of them don't need plucking, but I have to pluck just a little bit of them. I want to make sure this ponytail is good. So far, it's good. I don't want to mess with it too much because I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess the ponytail up at all. So I feel like I just need to leave it alone. Leave it how it is, because I got it as slick down as I can. You know, I got a little hump right here, but this is slick down that I can get it as of right now. So I'm gonna just leave it alone, and I'm just focus on my other parts. And I didn't even notice that the camera had turned off, y'all, while I was in the middle of showing y'all, but it's okay, because we're still gonna get this done. So as y'all see, like, this, a couple sides don't need plucking, But I'ma pluck the areas that needs to be plucked, like over here. A lot of hairs need to be pulled out in order for me to do my baby hairs. Alright y'all, so I cut my baby hairs. I kind of cut it a little bit wrong, but I'm gonna see if I can finesse it. See, I'm already going wrong. Trying to do a different style, but we gonna see if we could finesse it and get it together. You get what I'm saying? So that's what we're about to try to do, is get it together as much as we can. Cause I cut it a little bit too short on the other side, like it just shoom right off. But that's okay. We're gonna figure it out, okay? We're gonna figure it out. So I put the gel all over here. So now you take it, let's take the middle baby hair and let's do what we gotta do with it. So the middle baby hair, do I want to do a dramatic baby hair or do I just want to swoop it on in? I think I'm gonna swoop it on in this time, cause I did a lot of dramatic looks. And then we'll go come over here. Oh no, I'm glad to do a dramatic. Yo, I don't know if the baby hair is gonna look right. Oh my god. So y'all, let me get this together and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all the final look, okay? Alright you guys, I'm back with the final look. Go no, I'm back with the final look of this hair, y'all, and look at it. I finally got it together. My first half up, half down. My hair is still wet, y'all, but look at these curls. Look at these curls. These curls looking real good. Like, I love it. Like, I did this half up, half down. I'm looking real good. I gotta wait till like the hair dry up so I can do like the poofy type. Cause you know I want it poofy. Y'all know I want it real poofy, real cute. But y'all, these curls, this water wave hair is so cute. I really love it. I love this hair from Yolissa Hair. It curled up soon as I put water on it, y'all. Like, I've been hot combing the mess out this hair and it still got its curl texture. So that's a plus for me. That's a real plus. So anyways, you guys, y'all make sure y'all like, y'all comment, and y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all make sure y'all check out Yolissa Hair if you want this same exact wig. The wig is gonna be down in the description below. So y'all make sure y'all go check them out. Comment down below more videos you would like to see, and I'm out.